Over the past few weeks, my heart has felt heavier. I'm very aware that I've been holding both fear and trust at the same time. I'm right in the middle of it. And I feel, because of that, that this is the perfect time to share with you what I have to say. The very thing that has held me through challenge and celebration for the last almost 15 years. Yes, I'm holding a script down below to keep me on track because this is important to me and I don't want to miss a detail. I ask you, where might you be holding fear and trust right now at the same time? You're here, you're listening. Is there a quiet something, a something that you can place your hand to your heart on and listen and breathe and slow down just for this moment? You might notice a tension, an ache, something questionable. And these sensations, they show up in many different ways. And the answer you get to your questioning might be about money, safety, stability, health, relationships, your motherhood. But I want to emphasize this: the feeling, no matter the topic, the feeling is the same. That pull between fear and trust, it's the very ache that reminds us that we are human. So, how do we live in this space between fear and trust without shutting down? To find courage to take even one action step without shutting down. Whew. To be an anchor of safety and stability for me when I was facing a divorce, when I was selling my home, and when I was learning to follow my voice, an anchor was yoga. And I didn't find yoga until I was 40 years old. So it's been more than 15 years now. Yoga has been that constant. That's something that I kept returning to over and over again during all of those uncertainties, during all those moments when I could have very easily escaped into the what ifs, but I chose to trust, even if that voice was just that tiniest bit louder than the voice of fear. The message I have for you today is I'm returning to this channel. Yes, I've been here before, but I'm returning to this channel because I feel more than ever that this world needs this practice. Here you'll find a practice that's not surface level. It's not strictly a fitness practice. It encompasses tools that help you feel safe in your body, especially during these seasons of uncertainty. They help you regulate your emotions so you can hear messages clearer. And ultimately, that rebuilds trust in yourself to make choices that are right for you. Even in the seasons like the one I'm in right now, this in between. So I'm bringing back practices that move us through our struggles, ground us in our self-trust, and celebrate joy, because that's a part of it too. It's not just about moving through our struggles. It's also recognizing joy and celebrating them, even if it's a moment. This is a real life channel, real life. And it speaks to all of it because we're human. And the human life is all of it. Yoga's been there for me for a long time now. And now I'm asking you to join me to allow this practice to become your home. The place where you not only reconnect when you disconnect, but also most deeply embody your daily joys and celebrations. Okay, I'm going to keep coming back to this message. I'm not here to perform yoga. Okay? No performance. No look what I can do, or fancy headstands or handstands, or a pose standing on the edge of the cliff. At least not now. I'm here to practice with you in real time, in real life. That's what is coming to life. That's the form, that's the shape that this channel is becoming. So at the time of this recording, it's the end of August 2025. And I'm going to leave my other videos up, and you can see where I was then, and you can see where I'm going. And I'd like you to honor your own path and pay attention to just that, your own personal timeline of where I was, where I am now, and wow, look at how I'm shifting and changing by showing up. Showing up every day. Consistency is the key. So if this resonates with you, please consider subscribing, stay connected, and leave me messages all the time. This is going to help me, and it's going to help you and all the other followers. We have to lean into our discomforts just enough to find our growth. We're worthy of that. So until we meet again, I'm sending you so much big love. So much. I'm Candace, the founder of Candace Lee Yoga. Be well.